Now, this bird is really well adapted for life on the lily pads. With those super extra long toes and toenails, it will never sink into the water. I wonder if it ever trips and falls into the water. If you ever spend time watching these guys, you notice that each female has several husbands. One of the males ends up taking care of the eggs and then the chicks. They run around looking for little animals and veggie nuggets to gobble down. Wouldn't it be fun if they could do a Cirque du Soleil thing with those feet?